If you too have a broad forehead, then here's a haircut idea for you that will help you shorten your forehead and give the illusion of very heavy and dense hair. So watch this video till the end and find out how you can try this haircut for yourself right away.
Start by detangling your hair and then create a center parting by separating the front section of the head. Now clip the hair from both the sides like shown in the video and then tie the back section of the hair tightly. Now take a small section from exactly the center of the head and then after measuring it from the nose, cut it straight. This is the length of the hair that we want. Now mix the separate section of the hair that we took back to both the sides. After you've done that, take each section of the hair from the center part and then cut it, measuring the length of the hair that we cut earlier. Make sure to comb your hair several times so that the cut is exact. Once you're done for one side, go again and do it for the other side. We will once again make sure that all the hair measure to the same length. And so, take one section each and start measuring the hair and cut excess if needed. After this, take another front section and then pull it down, stretching it towards the nose. Then slightly take it to the side you want to keep the hair on and cut straight. So basically the process remains the same. After stretching, you just have tilt your fingers towards the side you want to keep your hair on. This will help in making the hair look bouncier and will also fill up your forehead if it's too broad. This easy flick haircut can be done by anyone easily at home itself. However, you might need a helping hand, so call your friend or your family member to provide you all the help that you need. In the end, you have to make sure that all your hair fall down to the same length after cutting, and once that is done, you are good to go. Your new hairstyle is ready to turn heads.